Hello everyone, welcome again to day 9 of my unboxing of the beautiful swap from Brigitta, 12 days of Christmas swap. I cannot wait to start and share this one with you. As I said, this is day 9, so number 9, this gorgeous tag on top of here. Such a cute element. Loving this one, loving the colors, the gold, the touches of ticket. Super beautiful. Thank you so much for that, Brigitta. She also added some of that gorgeous tulle again. And I hear some noises, wrinkling, Christmas bells going there. What's it gonna be? Oh, so excited. Wait a moment. Oh, so cute. A stuffed popcorn bag. It's this way around. You don't have to take it out or make it. It's already like this, pre-made. And I just love the tag on top of there with the stockings, the cluster, the beautiful rosette, the flower, and inside there are some pieces that she tucked in, and I will be taking them out one by one and share them all with you. There are quite a lot of different pieces there. So that's for that. We'll put that aside. A super cute Christmas stocking. Great idea of you to use that. Really cute candy cane ornament. Not sure if you also altered this one like this, or did it come like this? You have to tell me. But it looks really beautiful. Then a deer, a beautiful one. Loving that one. And a super cute pocket, sort of a box, and this is the top. Looks like so. And I was hoping that I am in frame with the other elements there that I showed you. Let me see if this is going to untie. Well, yes, it does. This was the sound that we heard. Loving that sound. This is it, and then we can open her up. Also with a teeny tiny Velcro there. Oh, and I see some beautiful baker's twine there with the golden thread details inside in red and in green, which are perfect as well, of course. And a beautiful kit of beautiful washi tape. Let me try and open her up, as I want to share them with you. Let me see if that's going to work. So I believe I can pull it out and then open up the box. Super cute box, by the way. Oh, now it's stuck a little bit like this. Yay. So you can see all the different patterns there. I do recognize a few of them on the projects that you created for me. So thank you so much for that. Super cute, loving this. Especially like the snowman and the stockings. And this one, such a cute element there. So no, super cute, loving those bears. And of course, again, the tag. So this is day 9 of my series, 12 Days of Christmas. Stay tuned for the other and the last videos that are coming up pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.